Palmer's got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
Whew. Damn, that was a smooth ass beat. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Today we have the Jordan 3 Nina Chanel Abneys. And this is one of those shoes that I thought was really dope when I first seen them. And then just like any other sneaker that comes out, they kind of came and they went, and I kind of forgot about them. And then, you know, a lot of people were like, hey, can you review these? Can you review these? I was like, sure, just send them on through. That's typically how it goes. But this shoe here, it's something special about this one. There's really nothing sentimental about it. It's just special because it's a collab. It's like an artist design from a real artist, and I'll talk about her in just a second. But I think I like it simply because it's different. That's pretty much it. It's different. It's not the traditional basketball-y Air Jordan 3. And the materials aren't super premium. They're very nice, but they're just different. And if you're like a Miami Hurricanes fan, these are probably for you. But for me, these are definitely my kind of style of sneaker. It's a perfect blend between like originality and bold craftsmanship. And speaking about that, let's talk about Nina Chanel Abney. Now, she's a artist, obviously, and her art is it's controversial. It's very in your face. It's very punchy, kind of Basquiat-ish a little bit. And I think it's dope. The colors kind of pop, very concept-ish. And damn, she had a whole block like that. And there's also some hoodies that came out. These are probably made very, very well. I didn't get a chance to get one. There's another hoodie. And she also had another pair of Jordans. She did a couple pairs of twos. There's a pair of highs. There's a pair of lows, if you see them right there. And I just kind of missed them. And her stuff is really not that much more over retail in the resale market. I actually wanted to get the low top white and green twos that she made, but then you know how that goes. You want to get them and then you actually think about it. It's like, I already got enough shoes, and I just kind of move on with life. But like I said, this shoe is very special to me. It has a canvas upper, it looks like, and you know, canvas is kind of not the most premium material, but they did throw on some good suede. Doesn't look like it's nubuck. Yeah, that's definitely suede on there, and it's a good cut. It's a very good cut. So good, it kind of gives the sneaker that perfect balance. And the green and the orange with the sail, that's like a deep, deep sail, actually. Wait a minute, I just looked at the box. It's not sail. I think it's Bicoastal. I think that's what the Bicoastal colorway is. And I know I just kind of glanced over the box. The box was even really dope. Go ahead and rewind back and look at the box again. It's a dope box. Like, I know when I do these reviews, everything's already cut and filmed, and I kind of talk over it as I'm looking at it again. And trust me, I know that this shoe isn't for everybody. I mean, it's a green sneaker. You really can't wear, I mean, you could, but it's not likely that you'll wear a green sneaker every day. This is something that you'll throw on with a nice outfit with some muted, blandish, essentials type colors. You guys know what I mean. Me personally, I'll just wear them with like shorts and some white socks, And the orange pants actually look good with the shoe. Like I don't always wear orange pants, and see, that's what I'm talking about right there, guys. You see, that's a good cut of suede they put on the sneaker. So again, it's a good balance of craftsmanship, creativity. It's just all that. It's a very artsy shoe. I noticed with her last collab, she doesn't really like to do too much with the sneaker, and I always appreciate that. Even the laces are dope, like they're rope laces. Even the Jumpman was dope. The Jumpman on the tongue is one of the highlights of the sneakers. The laces were dope. The back of the shoe is like my favorite part of the shoe. Let me look at that real quick. This is my favorite part of the sneaker. The little orange touch right there in the corner, the fuzzy looking Nike Air. That's just perfect. Yes, I just kissed into the microphone, but you guys understand my sentiments. It's beautiful. We got Dream Cell at the insole, and I did notice for me the sneaker was a little tight on my foot. Maybe because look at the leather on the inside of the tongue. Nina on one side, we got Air Jordan on the other side. These were executed very, very well. And the orange laces, I think that was also a nice touch. You guys let me know. Is it the orange laces in the sneakers? It looks good, a little fancy, but I think I'm going to stick with the Sailor Bicoastal laces in the sneaker. So let me know in the comments, is this shoe touching your heart like it's touching mine? Or am I just completely bugging out on this one? Like, man, come on, Colo. I don't know. I don't care what you guys think. I mean, I do. But with this sneaker, I just love the design. I love the concept. I love the colors. I love the laces. I love the Jumpman. I love the leather. I love all of that. So peace, love, and light, guys. Let me know. I got like 6 more videos coming right on up. So make sure you stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. That's where you can chat with me. And I'm out. Peace.